Welcome to your 7-minute super attractor magnetic field meditation. Get into a comfortable position. You're feeling super relaxed and calm. Start to focus on your breathing. We'll start with getting grounded. Take a deep breath in for 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold for 3, 2, 1. And out for 3, 2, 1. Continue that rhythm of breathing. In for 3, hold for 3, out for 3. And whilst you're focusing on your breath, stay calm and relaxed. Unclench your jaw, relax your shoulders away from your ears. There's nothing else you need to do right now apart from focusing on your breathing and listening to my voice. Today is an amazing day because today we're going to create a magnetic field around your entire body and attract everything that you desire materially and energetically. Go back to your rhythm of your usual breath. Now stay relaxed. I want you to picture a beautiful golden light coming in from the crown of your head and going through your body. It's a golden light. It looks like a root of a tree. It's going right through your body, shining brightly, healing your cells. And that beautiful light starts to wrap around your body like a silk wrap. It's wrapping around from the crown of your head. You'll almost feel the silk over your eyes, touching your eyes, your nose, your mouth. Starts to tingle a little bit as it feels so real. It is real. It's going around your body, this magical silk wrap of light, golden light sparkling, going over your shoulders, wrapping around your chest. You feel it coming over your back, over your body, wrapping around and around, going down and down past your legs, and finally it reaches your toes. And this silk wrap is spinning around slowly around your body, and you feel safe and calm, more calm than you've ever felt before. And now I want you to picture the energy field of a magnet. This magic light becomes a magnet. It has energy. It's a magic light that is here to attract everything for your highest good. You feel so secure and safe. You feel this energy that you've never felt before, this magnetic energy in your body. It starts to feel warm, and you realize you have this magnetic energy in your body. Now, I want you to picture everything that you desire around you. Perhaps you see that house that you've dreamed of. Perhaps you see bundles of money, Perhaps you see your happy partner, everything that you desire. I want you to picture it. If you desire better relationships, I want you to picture people, happy people around you. Take a moment to feel it, to see it, to visualize it. And now your magnetic field is pulling this into your cells, into your body. Everything that you feel and you see is coming into your magnetic field. It becomes part of you, part of your energy. Even if you tried, you cannot get away from everything that you desire, you deserve, that you're worthy of. And you feel so full, it's coming to you. Everything starts to almost stick to your body. It's coming into your energy, around you, through your body. You feel that you are at one with everything that you desire. It is now part of your cells. It is part of your frequency. It's part of your energy. All these things are within you now. You have received them. And you feel so grateful, and you thank the universe. You thank the universe for bringing this to you. You feel the warmth, you feel energy, you feel the frequency, this light, this magnetic field around your body. And you know it is. You just know, you feel it, you see it. Everything you desire is now within your frequency and your energy. You keep on breathing, and it feels so good to know this is all here for you, everything you desire. You give thanks and gratitude again for bringing this into your life, the appreciation. You're sending everything that is in your energy field. You're sending it gratitude for receiving it into your life, everything for your greater good. And now, as you come back into your consciousness with all that you desire already within you, you slowly open your eyes and you feel a sense of fulfillment that you've never felt before. You take a deep breath in and out. And you feel absolutely fulfilled in this moment. Sending you love, light, and gratitude today.